Hey, if you in the video, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make strawberry bread using the My Life Abundant recipe. And so what it is it's like a banana bread, but with strawberries instead of bananas. And then it has a nice glaze on the top. So we're going to try making that today. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Quickly dice up about 2 cups of strawberries that I just washed and put a little vinegar on so it can be cleaner and perfect for use. And I'm just gonna quickly dice them up and get a time lapse. Now it is time to move on to the actual baking and mixing part. So here are the ingredients that you need. And we're going to start by adding in the sugar, the milk, the oil, the egg, and the vanilla. So I just finished making the batter, and now I'm going to grease a 9x5-inch pan and then pour in the batter, and then I'm going to cook it for 50 minutes. Put it into the pan, and now it's ready to go into the oven. I just took it out of the oven. This is what it looks like. And then I also chopped up 1/3 cup of strawberries for the glaze on the top, which we are going to make now. Now we're going to make the glaze, and the ingredients that you are going to need is powdered sugar, melted butter, vanilla, strawberries, and milk. But first we're going to start out with the 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then I'll show you what happens after that. So now I'm going to add in the melted butter to the powdered sugar. Then add in your strawberries. And then lastly add in your vanilla extract. And if it's too thick, then add in some milk. But if not, then you do not need milk for this recipe. I'm going to wait a little bit longer for the bread to cool before I put this onto it.